How to enable or disable volume buttons for guided access on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now, before you can open up that screen, you need to first turn on guided access. To do that, let's go to your settings. So from the home screen, tap on settings, and in the main settings page, we scroll down and then tap on accessibility. After that, we scroll down and then tap on guided access. Make sure you tap on guided access toggle button to turn it on. Once it is switched on, we can now go back to the home screen and open up an app that you would like to use with guided access. And from here, I'm going to triple click on the side button, 1, 2, 3. This will open up the accessibility shortcuts menu. Now in here, tap on guided access. And before you start, you have the chance to tap on the options button. From here, you can choose volume buttons. So tap on the volume buttons toggle button if you want to enable or disable the volume buttons during the guided access session. So here, if I switch it on and I tap on done and then tap on start, now I need to put in my passcode. So here I will enter in the same passcode again to verify it. So here, in here I can press on the volume up or volume down buttons. These volume buttons are useful if say you are using the YouTube app where where the app can use the volume keys to increase or decrease the volume. If you disable the volume keys, then the user will not be able to adjust the volume sound. And that's it. So that is how you can enable or disable the volume keys during the guide access session. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.